good morning and welcome from UBL Sports Complex Karachi, where we are all set for the day 2 of Transgroup Quaid-e-Azam Trophy 2024-25 final. Sialkot and Peshawar are continuing the proceedings against each other, and Sialkot would be resuming their innings on 8 for no loss. How the things have transpired so far: Sialkot, after winning the toss, elected to bowl first. Peshawar were bundled out on 258 with top scores from Zubair and Nabi, but the mark Butt came to the party, 4 wickets for him, and that was truly a captain's performance. Ali Raza was also among the wickets with 3, and Shoaib Jr. got a couple of wickets. Sialkot so far have just started the proceedings. Herrera has been off the mark. Azan Awais is yet to open his account. Bilal Ahmed, and we are ready for the day number 2 to begin. Runs right away. We'll have to wait for the umpire's signal. Is it off the pad? A bit of appeal, yes. Leg by, but they will take it. Now they are into the double figures already, Sialkot. So finally came the flick off the bat of Azan Awais, and this is his first boundary. We'll have to wait and see that how many are to come. But finally he was able to break the shackles.
दाएं हाथ से इस टीम के सबसे तेज बॉलर हैं, इसलिए रन्स भी आएंगे. ड्राइव करना इतना आसान नहीं रहा इस मैच में, लेकिन ये दिलकश कवर ड्राइव था अज़ान अवैस का. सलमान, बहुत कुछ दाव पर लगा हुआ है. कैरियर जो है बनते और बिगड़ते हैं, और यहाँ बात बन गई है अज़ान अवैस की. उनने अपना फेवरेट कवर ड्राइव किया. शानदार बैटिंग.
ये देखिए, ये गेंद उसी कॉरिडोर ऑफ अनसर्टेनिटी, थोड़ा सा बॉडी से आगे निकले, लेकिन जाना ही पड़ना था जिस जगह गेंद था. बहुत ही अनफॉर्चुनेट, लेकिन एक अच्छा गेंद, और अज़ान अवैस को जाना होगा.
और यहाँ पर पसो पेश से काम लिया, तो पूरी तरह अगले कदम पर नहीं आ सके थे. वही एंगल जो है ये काम कर गया नियाज खान के लिए. ओवर द विकेट अज़ान अवैस की ये बड़ी कामयाबी. अहम विकेट उन्होंने बनाया 18, 33 पर 1.
Oh, it was edged, but away from that slip cordon. There are 4 fielders. That will run down to a boundary. Ashir Mahmood gets going. 5 fielders in that slip cordon. Oh, ball aim! He's dragged it on to the stumps. That is another massive wicket for Amir Khan and Peshawar region. Ashir Mahmood this time.
We'll check for the no ball. It's completely safe. Just look at the release of that delivery. An inside edge. Deceived by the bounce of the ball. Another informed batter goes back to pavilion. It's Ashir Mahmood. Goes for 5 on 7 deliveries. 38 for 2.
You have to grind it up. That's the beauty of first-class cricket and a surface like this. That is a shot and a half. Great placement. Looks so beautiful and pleasing on eyes, Herrera. And I like the smile. Is it of the pad or the bat? We'll have to wait for the signal. Runs given.
उन्होंने दरिया दिली का मुजाहरा किया. ये दिलकश स्ट्रोक. इस बार अगेंस्ट द टर्न खेलने के लिए गए, और गेंद बिल्कुल जमीन से लगी लगी चली गई. शानदार स्क्वायर ड्राइव मोहसिन रियाज का. 1-2 मौके पर बैटन पैड से गेंद आई थी, उछली थी, वहां फील्डर नहीं थे. और ये एक और खूबसूरत शॉट ऑफ ड्राइव इस बार, जिसकी जितनी भी तारीफ की जाए वो कम है. मोहसिन रियाज अब दिखा रहे हैं
25 रन की बड़ा माने रखता है, लेकिन ये माने रखेगा शॉट, जहां पर स्वीप किया और करारा जवाब दिया है. दबाव के पड़ने का एक और चौका लगाया मोहसिन रियाज ने साजिद कप्तान के खिलाफ.
And there's another one. As we speak about it, the keeper was late. He was ages late. So giving rest, managing your team, and good use of the feet, as this one is hit over mid-off, and I think it has gone the distance. And the umpire signals it. There is no doubt about it, so it makes a move on. As this one has been driven through the covers, lent on it, using the wrist, opening the face of the bat and getting a very good boundary.
साजिद खान दोबारा आए हैं यहाँ पे अटैक करने के लिए. फुलर डिलीवरी थी थोड़ी और ये एक और बाउंड्री मिलेगी मोहम्मद हुरैरा को.
8 विकेटें हाथ में हैं सियालकोट की. और शानदार शॉट. इस बार पिल पड़े. जो ही उन्हें आई लाइन के बाहर ये गेंद नजर आई. जिस दौर में यूबीएल स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स कायम हुआ था, ये उस वक्त से यहाँ पर मोहसिन रियाज ने अच्छा पुल शॉट खेला. बैकफुट पर गए और इसे विद द स्पिन दे मारा. मिड विकेट पर 4 रन्स का और इजाफा.
अच्छा बैट स्विंग किया पंच करने के लिए. एक और दफ़ा उन्होंने बैकफुट पे जाके इसे खेला है और एक और बाउंड्री हासिल कर ली है.
सेवन साइड में ग्लांस किया, वहां पर मिस फील्डिंग हुई. 4 रन्स का इजाफा. हिलाल अहमद थे, हमने मजीद मदद की यहाँ बैटिंग टीम की और मोहसिन रियाज की, जिनके 50 रन्स मुकम्मल हो गए. आज नंबर 4 पोजीशन पर उनको भेजा गया था और इस नंबर से पूरा इंसाफ किया है. चौथी निस्फ सेंचुरी मोहसिन रियाज की. इस लाइन से वो हट गए थे क्योंकि इस लाइन पर आसानी के साथ मोहसिन जो हैं वो गेंद को रवा दवा किए देते हैं. एक और चौका लगाया ऑफ साइड में. एक और दिलकश स्क्वायर ड्राइव.
कौन से बॉलर्स को डिफिकल्टी से खेलेगा. और दोबारा से एक लेग साइड डिलीवरी और यहाँ पर इन्होंने अपनी निफ्ट सेंचुरी को मुकम्मल कर ली है मोहम्मद हुरैरा ने. ये बहुत ही ज़रूरी थी इनके पर्सनल कॉन्फिडेंस के लिए.
और इसके साथ ही यहाँ पर एक खाने का वक्फा होगा. अंपायर राशिद रियाज ने ओवर ख़त्म करने का और सेशन ख़त्म करने का इशारा दे दिया. 258 के जवाब में हुरैरा और अजान ने कल इनिंग्स का आगाज़ किया था. अजान आज आउट हुए, 0 पर उनका कैच गिरा, लेकिन बाद में वो तूल नहीं दे सके अपनी बैटिंग को. 18 रन्स बनाकर विकेट कीपर गाई दे गए और उसके बाद आमिर ने बोल्ड किया. आशिफ महमूद को ने बनाए 5. हुरैरा और मोहसिन, इनकी बैटिंग काबिल जिक्र रही है.
बिल्कुल एक और एक विकेट ले सके नियाज खान और आमिर खान. बाकी प्लेयर्स उस तरीके से इफेक्टिव नज़र नहीं आए. काफ़ी मिस फील्डिंग भी हुई, इस वजह से इनकी विकेट्स भी लूज़ हुई हैं. यहाँ पे 3 से 4 कैचेस ड्रॉप हुए हैं इस इनिंग्स में. 135 रन बनाने में कामयाब रहे हैं सियालकोट 2 विकेट के नुकसान पर.
123 रन्स अभी भी पीछे है यहाँ पर सियालकोट की टीम खेल में, लेकिन उसकी 8 विकेटें हाथ में हैं, इसलिए उनकी पोजीशन बेहतर है. इस वक्त खाने का वक्फा है. वक्फे के बाद दोबारा आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर होंगे.
And that's what good players or good teams need. Just a sniff. Wow, that's a jeffer straight away. One of the best deliveries in the game. Ross batting first. And this one is flicked with disdain. Over the mid-wicket in full authority and control was Mohammad Hureira. Moves to 55.
Oh, very close, very close. Finger is up. Finally getting the breakthrough, Amir Khan. Mohammad Hureira. That was a brilliant giving that look to the bowler. But you can't do much about it. You got to go back.
And it's absolutely fine. The stride is small. Have a look at this, shaping away and then coming back. Oh, well, it was only going to miss the off and the leg stump and hit middle. That's how plumb it was. And absolutely no doubt. For the umpire, a straightforward decision. And Hureira, after concentrating for long, would be disappointed. 55 he scored, and it's 1-4-0 for 3.
Oh, this might be close, I tell you. This might really be close.
Well, it depends. The there is a new ruling that if you were standing inside, then your jump might not matter. So we shall see whether he was out and he jumped, because definitely he jumped when the ball hit the stumps.
God, this is a big moment. This is what happened. Drove it straight and oh, mighty close, mighty close. He's outside this. Oh no, yes, he has to go back.
Yes, it is end of the stay in an unfortunate manner, a manner which definitely was a lack of concentration, lack of awareness.
Oh, very unfortunate for Mohammad Waleed without scoring. And Amir Khan, if he won't get you out the other way, he will run you out like this.
और ये तीसरी भी इस सेशन में मोहसिन रियाज जो सेट बैट्समैन थे इस गेंद को ब्लॉक करते हुए कैच दे बैठे. अच्छा स्लिप कैच, लेकिन इस गेंद पर उनका दिफा पाश हुआ.
वहाँ वो सिलसिला टूटा और उसके साथ साथ तवज्जो भी हटाई, जो कि इस गेंद की लाइन से अपने बैट को हटाने में कामयाब ना हो सके. और सुबह से लेकर अब तक उन्होंने लगभग 2 घंटे तक ऐसी गेंदों को छोड़ा, लेकिन अब नहीं. बड़ी कामयाबी हासिल की है. मैच के अब तक के टॉप स्कोरर मोहसिन रियाज वापस गए. आधे सियालकोट के खिलाड़ी भी 146 पे 5 और इम्पोर्टेंट विकेट के साथ शुरुआत की.
ड्राइव, यहाँ पर 4 रन होंगे. गेंद बहुत तेज जाती है यूबीएल के इस मैदान के आउटफील्ड पर.
अपनी ऑलराउंड कैपेबिलिटीज के साथ
शानदार शॉट. अम्माद भट्ट का 2 फील्डर इसके पीछे आए, लेकिन ये गेंद रुकने वाली नहीं थी. बेहतरीन आगाज किया उन्होंने अपनी इनिंग्स का.
Nicely driven. Yeah, a couple of runs, maybe 3 if they run hard. No, they will get 4. I hope he's not injured himself in doing so, but that's a good shot by Ahsan Bhatti. So sorry, guys. Runs. Doesn't have the legs to go to the boundary. They should look to get at least 3. No, it has. Edged. Oh, beautiful. Second one for Sabzada Farhan. Does a brilliant job. Niaz Khan takes another one. It's Ahmad Bhatt. That is beautiful bowling. Rashid Riaz quickly realizing it. This is the big moment. Oh, mighty. The first impact. Is it on line or is it any part of the boot behind the line? Oh, mighty. They might go either way. There's a loud cheer in the ground.
Ahmad Bhatt goes for 10, 168 for 6. Trying to rotate the strike every now and then. Well, it's getting different now. Ahsan Bhatti will get a boundary. A little short and wide delivery, cutting it through the covers.
Big shots, especially towards the onside. Once again, an inside edge and oohs and ahs, but will allow the batters to score some runs. It will cross the boundary now. Another crucial boundary for Sialkot and another piece of frustration for Sajid.
Minor errors by the players. Can happen anytime, and that's taken. That is taken and given out by the umpire as well. Afzal Manzoor will go back to pavilion.
And Sajid is able to reap the reward of all the patience which he has shown since the afternoon. A bit of flight offered, he came forward, it ballooned up in the air, easy picking for Nabi, no problem whatsoever. And finally, wicket number 1 for captain and the trademark celebration by Sajid. 3 wickets to go for Sialkot now. Afzal Manzoor gone back in the heart of Sialkot now in problem, 198 for 7. So here we are, the collapse has started once again. The tail is not wagging. Ahsan Bhatti will also go back after losing his partner Amir Khan with rapid pace. Got himself out and good work behind the stumps.
A clear delivery that was. Had a little bit of swing over there. Battler completely, Ahsan Bhatti completely missing the line of that delivery. Just nicking it a little bit. And he'll have to go back to the pavilion. Ahsan Bhatti goes for 26. Sialkot are 198 for 8.
बाहर आए, हमलावर हुए और ये बड़ा शॉट खेल गए। ये इस मैच का पहला छक्का बाहर निकलकर ऑन द ऑफ खेला शाहजेब ने। टेल बैक करती है और यही काम कर रहे हैं शाहजेब भट्टी। एक और उनने छक्का लगाया मिड विकेट पर स्लॉग करते हुए और फिर से इनके पाले में आई और इसे उड़ा कर रख दिया। तीसरा छक्का शाहजेब भट्टी का। पहले स्पेल में महंगे साबित हुए थे और यहाँ भी जो विकेट खरीदने की इनकी सोच है वो अब महंगी पड़ने लगी है। ये बाउंसर और इसे चलता कर दिया। फाइन लेग बाउंड्री पर कोई खिलाड़ी नहीं था। ये 4 और कीमती रन्स।
Once again, runs for the batter. Shoaib Akhtar Jr. now joining the party. Fortunate for runs for him and the rhythm of.
Once again, this one is in the air and the bowler is underneath it and he takes it, and it took all by himself Niaz Khan to pick up his 4th and the 9th for his team. And in this manner, Shahzeb Bhatti, who played so well, will have to leave. Oh, let's see what the umpire has to say to this.
Due to that, he might well have another lease of life.
And this will be very disappointing for the bowling side. And it has been declared out. A legitimate delivery, and that was good enough for Shahzeb Bhatti, who played wonderfully well. 40 of 47, out, caught and bowled. And that's it, cleaned up. So 5 wickets for Niaz Khan. Wonderful effort from him into his 26th over, bowling his heart out for his team. He's done wonderfully well, and the team was heavily relying on him and the other fast bowler, 2 of them shouldering the burden, and it just took him 1 ball, which was good enough for Ali Raza, and 245 is all that Sialkot could get. And the first innings lead goes to the Peshawar side, and that is around 12 runs. Once again, is just a touch behind the line, which is good enough. Once again, have a look at this, bowling within the stumps, bowling straight and getting the reward. And straight away umpire Rashid looks at his watch, and he must have said that 1 over for the opening batters, please.
Sensational bowling by Niaz Khan, the tall fast bowler from Sawat. He has lived a dream. Ali Raza gone back on the very first delivery, 2 wickets on 2 balls, and yes, he proudly raising the ball. He must be thinking out of this world at this point in time, and what a feeling. Things are even Steven at this point in time. Sialkot region scoring substantially in form of Herrera and Mohsin, and partnerships up the order, but the things went spiraling down after the Friday prayers and the lunch break. Quick succession of wickets, but then Shahzeb played a blinder. 40 runs for him. He was eventually out, caught and bowled by Niaz, and in that process, Niaz got the wicket of Ali Raza, the very next delivery, and they bundled out for 245 and gone in a deficit of 13 runs. A sensational display by Niaz Khan, 26 overs and 61 runs, but 5 wickets for him. Amir Khan bowled his heart out in that process. More substantially, he bowled 10 maidens in the morning session. The bulk of those maidens were bowled, and courtesy that they were not able to go beyond 258 and could not gather a lead. 38 runs given away and 3 wickets for him. Sajid Khan got 1 wicket but only bowled 24 overs and given away 89 runs. No wicket for Asrarullah and his companion.
And, the straightaway misunderstanding, and luckily for Sahibzada Farhan, no damage done. I wonder this just 1 over. Wonderfully driven. This will be the boundary. Full face presented. This is positive stuff from Mars. Confident stroke down the ground, and nothing better than a full-fledged on drive.
Sadakat resuming where he left yesterday in the afternoon. Eyes would be on the umpires that what is going to be the call. The protocol requires that the umpires reach their position and then have a look on their clocks, and already the clock which I'm having, which I assume that is as per Pakistan Standard Time, it is announcing that 5 o'clock in the evening. But what a day we have had. So Sialkot won the toss and asked Peshawar to bat first in UBL Sports Complex, where Ahmad Bhatt got 4 wickets and Ali Raza also got 3 prize wickets. But Zubair scored substantially 47 runs and Nabi Gul played a handy knock of 44 runs. In response, Sialkot scores 245 50s by Riaz and Herrera, but in that process they were almost able to concede a deficit of more than 60 or 70 runs. But then there was a strong comeback by Sialkot region in terms of the blinder. Their tail wagged and the lead was only 13 runs, and then Peshawar came back. So far they are 5 for no loss.